Try and join loads of societies during Freshers Week. Go to loads of events to meet other people.
Have a good time, relax. Don't work too hard because you will at some point. You have to work hard. So when you can relax.
Definitely go and try out as many clubs as you can in Freshers Week, and definitely join one. It's the best thing I ever did, for sure.
Yeah, join one as soon as you can, or any year you can start something new and you'll be welcomed.
I would say student services, make sure you utilise them because they're here for you and their resources are fantastic.
Don't forget to ask for help. If you are nervous and feel lonely, just ask for help.
Make the most of the Freshers' Fairs and go to as many society tasters as you can. You'll meet loads of different people, but getting the most experience out of it all is the best tip.
Take every opportunity that comes your way. First few weeks, just don't say no to anything. If your friends are going somewhere, just tag along with them.
Ask for help when you need it because it's there for you.
I would say definitely go and join loads of new societies and definitely get in with your course mates as well as your housemates because it means you have a wider group of friends to kind of make friends with new people. Yeah.
Don't be afraid to ask questions. There's loads of support here, whether it's from current undergrads, from your friends that you make here, or from the amazing student services centre we have.